Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize scheduling tours using Calendly for investors. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, sign in to your Calendly account. If you don't have an account, create one at calendly.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the event types section on your dashboard. Click on the plus new event type button to create a new scheduling event. Choose the type of event you want to set up, such as one-on-one or group. Fill in the event name, for example, Investor Tour. Set the duration of the tour, typically ranging from 30 to 60 minutes. Next, choose your availability for this event type. Select the days and times you want to offer for scheduling. Adjust your time zone settings to ensure accurate scheduling. Scroll down to add additional details regarding the event. You can include a description or any necessary instructions for investors. If you need to collect information, enable the option for custom questions. This will allow you to ask for specific details from investors during scheduling. Once your event details are complete, click on Next. Review your settings to confirm everything is correct. After that, save your event type. Now, head to the Share section to find your scheduling link. Copy this link to share with potential investors. You can also integrate your Calendly link into emails or websites for easy access. If using integration tools like Zoom or Google Meet, set up those options for virtual tours. Test your scheduling link by opening it in an incognito window. Ensure that the process works smoothly from both your and the investor's perspective. Monitor the scheduled events regularly from your dashboard. This will allow you to stay organized and responsive to your investors. Lastly, always follow up with confirmations or reminders before the scheduled tour. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.